Hi there, today's video is in collaboration with L&L Skin, and they have sent me over the HONO device to try out for you and demonstrate. HONO is a body slimming, breast massager, and skincare device. This is what the HONO looks like. It's a nice, lightweight, handheld device. When you get it home, you want to charge it up. It's got 24 silicone massage beads. And here's the menu that all you have to do is press it. This is a really simple device to use. You just press it. Ooh, and it came right onto the massage option. So the first option rather is the massage, followed by, if you press it again, it'll go to the lifting. If you press it again, it'll go to the EMS level. Now there's two levels of EMS. There's a mild one and a little bit stronger. You have to work your way up to that. I highly recommend with this, before you go jacking this all the way up as high as it can go, that you try it out first to see what you can tolerate and then work your way up. You can also see that it's got red light, which is wonderful for skin tightening and helping to build collagen in your skin. It's very therapeutic. All of this in one little handheld device. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna demonstrate how you use this device. Let me turn it off because I don't wanna drain my battery. Now also the three settings that I mentioned, the massage setting, the EMS setting, and the tightening setting all last for 2 minutes, and then it's going to automatically switch to the next setting. So if you're busy working on an area, it's just going to automatically switch over to it for you, so you don't have to remind yourself, how long have I been on here? How long have I been on here? It automatically has a timer inside and it'll switch over. You can also manually switch over if you maybe don't have time for the massage today and you want to go right into the lifting mode, you can do that as well. So you want to start with clean, dry skin. Now I like to do this after I've had my workout. Your body is really kind of sore after the workout, and when you're lifting weights, you're building up lactic acid in your muscles, which can cause a good deal of soreness, or maybe you've just pulled a muscle, or maybe you just need to relax a little bit. So that's when I like to use it, is after my workout, I've been in the shower and I dry off my skin. Then you have to use some kind of lotion or body oil for best results with this device so that it can easily slip over the skin. So I really prefer a body oil because it's just got the maximum moisturization for me, but you can use a lotion, you can use a body oil, or a combination of the two, whatever you like best, whatever feels nice for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and I'm gonna show you how we do my arm. I'm gonna apply the lotion to the underside of the arms, which, ladies, we know how this gets. I'm gonna take my device, and I've got it on the massage heading. And I just simply go like this. And this is just massaging any tight muscles. Very relaxing, feels very, very nice. And it's a pretty strong massage. I mean, this is no wimpy little gimmicky massage type tool that you would find in a cheap store. This is a really good massage. You just press it one more time, and this is the lifting mode. Can you hear that? Okay. So when I'm lifting, I wanna move upward, in an upward direction, because we're lifting. Okay, that's how I would use this on my arm. Now, you can use this, as I mentioned earlier, on any area of your body that you feel needs a little bit of lifting. A lot of people like to use this in the breast area. You want to go, I'll demonstrate on my chest. You want to go upward for lifting and tightening. It really helps with lymphatic drainage. It's phenomenal for that. The health benefits are just outstanding. So you want to go upward, but when you get to the actual breast area, you want to go in a circular motion around the breast. That helps to drain all of the lymphatic fluid that's just hanging out in there, not doing you any good. So you want to go around in the breast area, up on the chest. And you know, the chest and neck area are so often neglected, ladies. You know, as we start wearing our skincare and our makeup in our youth, we only treat the face. We forget to treat the neck, the chest, and the backs of our hands. And a lot of times that's the first place that shows aging. Use this on your belly area. Again, you're going to go upward, and then you go around the navel in a circular motion. And just go around and around. Now I want to demonstrate the EMS. Okay, massage, lifting. Now there's EMS 1. Now I'm going to show you on my arm. Now I really don't feel anything because I've got that lotion on there. Now I can move it up to the next level. I'm going to feel that. A great area to use this is on the backs of your thighs. Leg day, anybody? Yes, where the backs of your thighs are just aching. Use this on the backs of your thighs with your favorite tightening lotion, and it is a phenomenal feeling. Helps break up that cellulite and also moves the lactic acid out of the muscles and makes you feeling a lot less sore a lot quicker. I also wanted to mention that the red light portion of this device is so therapeutic. This helps build the collagen in your skin and helps with skin elasticity that we start losing early on. We start losing collagen at a slow rate early in our 20s, but before you know it, you're 50 and you've lost a lot of collagen. The red light in here is so therapeutic for that. Let me talk about the cost per use. If you were to purchase this type of a package at your med spa, it would cost you thousands of dollars compared to the price of this device that you can use in the privacy and cleanliness of your own home on your own time. You don't have to make an appointment and you don't have to tip anybody. You just do this at home when you're ready on your terms. HONO Skin also has another device that they have sent me that I'm going to be showing in a future video. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel because you're going to want to see that as well. If you would like to purchase this, I have a code down below that's going to save you 35%. Make sure you use the code down in the description part of this video to get substantial savings on this product. Thank you for joining me on my quick review of the L&L Skin HONO Care Skin Tightening, Breast Massaging, and Lifting device. I hope you decide to pick one up today. And remember, stay subscribed to my channel for a future video on another one of L&L's wonderful skincare devices.